In this video, we will take a look at the top 3 65-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart TV that you can buy right now on Amazon without breaking your wallet. So I have ranked these TVs based on the picture quality, smart TV features including support for various streaming channels, connectivity, and customer support. I have had very good experience when buying TVs directly from Amazon as opposed to third-party sellers. With Amazon as the seller, you can return the TV for free if you're not satisfied, no questions asked. And this is a great feature because TVs are very subjective. You may buy a TV which is very highly rated and then you may not like the picture quality. So you always want the option to return the TV. Now the prices on Amazon, they tend to fluctuate. So please check out the links that I have put in the video description below for the latest price and availability of these TVs. Coming in at number 3 is TCL Class 5 Series 4K UHD TV. TCL TVs have been around for a while and they have established a reputation for providing high quality TVs at a budget price. You can get the 65-inch model of this TV for under $580, which I think is a very good price for the features that this TV is offering. So the TCL TV, it comes with built-in Roku streaming platform, which in my opinion is the most user-intuitive smart TV interface in 2020. You literally have access to tens of thousands of streaming channels, including Roku channel, which has been rated as the best free streaming service for cord cutters. Now when it comes to picture quality, the Roku TV actually delivers surprisingly good quality images. This TV supports Dolby Vision HDR, which delivers high contrast videos with rich color gamut. TCL offers excellent contrast and black uniformity, which is very important for watching movies in a dark room. It also has good low input lag and a fast response time, which is great for gaming. This TV has 4 HDMI 2.0 ports, all of which support the HDCP 2.2 protocol, and this is needed for connecting Blu-rays and external 4K video players. So anything with high resolution, 4K resolution, you want to make sure that the TV supports HDCP 2.2 protocol. Now regarding connectivity, you get both Wi-Fi and you get Ethernet port for connecting this TV directly to your router. Roku TVs support easy voice controlled search and navigation using Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So overall, TCL 5 Series TVs, they are great budget 4K TVs and they offer very good picture quality. They have low input lag, which is great for gaming, and they have one of the best smart TV interface. So check out the links in the video description below to get more details on these TVs and the current pricing. Okay, coming in at number 2 is Samsung's TU8000 series 4K UHD Smart TV. So you can get the 65-inch model of this TV for around $700, which makes this TV the most expensive TV in this list. Now Samsung TU8000 series TVs, they look strikingly minimalistic and they have a remarkably thin LED panel, and the panel is sporting a bezel-free design. So the screen is actually framed by black borders around the panel and they have this brushed gunmetal band around the sides. It looks really nice. So when it comes to looks and aesthetics, I think Samsung hits the ball out of the park, and this TV looks the best among the 3 TVs that I have listed here. Besides the power cable which plugs into the back, all other ports sit facing right and are easily accessible. The NU8000 series TV features 4 HDMI port, there are 2 USB ports, and it also comes with an Ethernet port. This TV offers seriously bright and colorful images with support for wide color gamut, including the HDR10 and the HLG. Samsung TU8000 is powered by Tizen operating system, and this operating system, it's based on Linux. It's fast, it's elegant, and it has a very intuitive layout. Now, Tizen is actually a fully featured smart TV platform. It has a solid selection of apps and streaming services along with robust built-in functions. So you get features like 2 live TV guides for both the broadcast and the streaming TV. There is a companion app for your phone called Samsung Smart Things, which makes setting the TV very easy. You don't need to fiddle around, with your remote control. This TV also supports voice controlled search and navigation. It uses Amazon Alexa and it also uses the Samsung's Bixby. Overall, Samsung NU8000 is a great choice for 65-inch smart TV. offering excellent picture quality, a modern aesthetics, and a robust streaming platform. So check out the links in the video description below for the latest price and availability of this TV. Okay, finally coming in at number 1, it's LG's 73 series 4K Ultra HD Smart TV. Now LG is famous for their uber expensive OLED TVs, but they also make actually quite good quality LED LCD TVs. So this is an LED LCD TV and you can get the 65-inch model of this TV for only $590 on Amazon. I think this is a very good price for the quality that you are getting with this TV. So I have put this TV at the top spot because of its quad-core AI engine and the WebOS Smart TV operating system. So this advanced AI processor is able to upscale 1080p content to 4K while simultaneously reduces noise and enhances the sharpness of your video quality. It supports HDR10 and HLG, which creates high contrast images with wide color gamut. Now this TV is running WebOS, that's the smart TV platform, and it's very fast and intuitive. It supports all the popular streaming channels and it comes with a motion controlled remote which can be used to point, scroll, and click on the screen. So the remote has a built-in mic for issuing voice commands which seamlessly work with Google Assistant and with Amazon Alexa. This TV comes with 3 HDMI ports and these ports are again HDCP 2.2 compliant, so you will not have any problem connecting this TV to a Blu-ray player or any other 4K external device. For internet connectivity, there is built-in Wi-Fi as well as an Ethernet port if you want to connect this TV to your router using a Ethernet cable. Now one special connectivity option that I really love, it's the Bluetooth support, and so that means you can actually use your headphones and connect it to the TV. That will allow you to have private audio. So you can watch TV in the night and you will not have to disturb your family members, and you can have a quiet session, watch TV, you will have your headphones and nobody will be disturbed. So I love that feature. So overall, based on the picture quality, the smart TV features and a compelling price of only $590, LG 73 series 4K TVs, I think these are the best 65-inch smart TV that you can buy right now. So links to all these TVs can be found in the video description below. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below and I will try to help you guys. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please like this video and subscribe to the Money Panda for more videos like this. Also check out technopandareviews.com for more reviews focusing on laptops, gaming PCs, and other electronic gadgets. Again, guys, thanks for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.